Hello, students. My name is Mrs. Antoinette Grant, and I will be teaching the module on diabetes. Module 1 is specific to diabetes types 2. In this module, you will be learning about type 2 diabetes in terms of the disease process itself. You will be learning signs and symptoms, risk factors, and how to prevent diabetes type 2. You will be learning about modifiable as well as non-modifiable risk factors. In the beginning of this course, there is a pretest. The pretest consists of 5 short answer questions. I would ask that you would answer those questions in your own words. The test does not count. It is simply to see how much information you know prior to actually beginning the module. Within the module, you will find resources. There are a couple of videos from YouTube, and they are excellent animations to help you gain an understanding of what diabetes is. There is a game called Diabetes Jeopardy, and it's a fun game. None of these things you have to participate in, but they're just good resources to give you a visual. There is a PowerPoint that was completed. It too will help you to understand diabetes type 2. Now, this class or this course will consist of gradual modules explaining diabetes as a whole. But mind you, this particular module is focused on type 2 and the basics thereof. There is a book. It is recommended strictly. It is not required. The book is called Diabetes is Not a Piece of Cake. There will be a post-test at the end of this 1-hour class, and it is counted. There are 10 questions for this test, and you must score an 80% or better in order to pass the class. Diabetes is complicated, which is why we'd like to start with just a foundation of it, just the basics of it. And as we build on subsequent modules, it would help you not only to remember diabetes, but to gain an understanding of diabetes. There are other types of diabetes, but we will simply focus on type 2 in this module. So I'm looking forward to engaging students. There is one discussion board, and it has a scenario with a couple of questions. It's not difficult, but just kind of want to get you to see what you may encounter in the clinical environment, which is where we're starting from on the basics, and we're going to move forward with, as I said, other subsequent modules. So I look forward to everyone, and you will find there is information in which to make contact with me prior to the class, but everything else has been posted to help you to see what to expect. The tests will not be posted until towards the end of the 60-minute, the 1-hour class that we will be encountering, but you will get to see all of the other information prior to that, so you can kind of get an idea of how to study. Okay, or what to learn. So I look forward to this experience. Have a great day, class.